It's a Tuesday morning, and I am up making lunch for my husband because we have struck a deal. He does not like milking, and I do not ever make his lunch because I hate making lunches. But we have agreed that he will do the milking as long as I make his lunches and his breakfasts. So, this is our new system. I'm making him a sandwich with homemade sourdough bread and Black Forest ham, mustard, mayo, homemade cheese, I think. I can't see what kind I was using. Maybe Cotswold. While he's straining the milk, I am getting jars out of the fridge and I'm getting ready to make a cheese. We only have so many gallon jars, and so I'm emptying some so that he can strain into them and I can fill up my 8-gallon pot. And now I'm making him his breakfast. We have leftover filet mignon from a Sunday dinner that my daughter and niece made. So I'm just slicing it thin and heating it up in the skillet. I have caramelized onions that the girls have left over from the dinner they made us. Caramelized onions are gold. Mornings I make cheese. I spend a fair amount of time washing out jars. And now my younger son is up, so I'm making him breakfast as well. You can see the girls did a fabulous job with that filet mignon. Mm-hmm. And now it's my breakfast. Homemade yogurt, and I have leftover red raspberry preserves from the dinner that the girls made us. It's tart and only a little bit sweet. It's delicious. made granola, brown sugar granola. It has pecans in it, and it's, I think, my favorite.